There are many benefits of being raw vegan. Every meal that's prepared is unique and different. It is fast and easy to prepare. It provides radiating skin and rebuilds collagen. But most of all, it gives energy with no aches and pains. It eliminates, prevents my acute problems, and I love raw vegan. Today, I'm going to make zucchini noodle cabbage with avocado salsa. Let's get into it. Here are the ingredients for zucchini noodle cabbage with avocado salsa. Zucchini, red peppers, cabbage, avocado, lemon, fresh onion, turmeric, and a piece of ginger. Garlic, if you have fresh garlic, use the fresh one. I didn't have any, so I'm using dry. Cinnamon, cumin, pepper, raw apple cider vinegar. For sweets, I'm adding raisin. If you have any fresh fruit, you can add that. And from my garden, it is oregano and chive. Use any green garden you have and add to your zucchini noodle salad. Now I'm going to prepare it and chop it up. Now I'm going to make the avocado salsa sauce for our zucchini noodle cabbage. Let's get to it. Here's how I cut the avocado. Slice in half. These are beautiful avocados. Look at that. And then I cut in quarters. Peel the skin. This is the best way to get all the nutrition from the avocado. Don't use a spoon and scrape it. Just cut in quarters and take all of it out. For the other half, it is very hard to break it like that and take the pit out. So the best way is cut in quarters, same thing. Peel the skin off. And cut your avocado off like that. So basically, you get all the avocado from the meat from the avocado. There it is. Now we're going to make the avocado salsa sauce for our zucchini noodle cabbage. You need a Vitamix or a power blender, or any blender would do, but I like the Vitamix. Avocado, the red peppers, half of the onion. This is the leftover of the zucchini, turmeric, ginger, and the hard stuff of the cabbage. I don't throw any vegetables. They're all good. Lemon. Cumin. Sometimes you have to just put, I don't know how much. Pepper. You can put pepper on directly on the noodle cabbage. Garlic. Cinnamon. And where's my, wait a minute, I gotta get my raisins for sweeteners. Hold a minute. I found frozen pineapple, so I'm gonna use pineapple in my avocado salsa cream instead of the raisin. If I need more sweetener, I can add raisins later on. But anyway, this is the completed avocado salsa cream. Now I'm going to put it in there. Good, look at this.
Shining bright like a shine, shine, very high like the stars. There's a truth.
there's extra sauce, so I'm going to put in container and freezer. But I'm sure it will be gone for within a week. But this is perfect. Look at this. Here is the zucchini noodle cabbage with avocado salsa sauce. I am going to try it out. Delicious. Since I have a sweet tooth, I am going to add some raisins. Give me a lot of energy, beautiful face and glowing. Hug them to the face. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna finish for dinner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it, and I hope you like and subscribe my video, and I'll add more. Here's a raisin. Raisins. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe my video, and I hope to see you next time. I think that I'm going to do the raw brownie. Is delicious and nutritious. All the ingredients, you can eat it without no guilt. So thank you for watching. I am going to eat this now. Very good. I am going to finish this. Yeah, very good. This is heaven. Next to the raw brownie. I didn't add any salt in here, but if you like the salt, you can add it. The reason why I don't add salt is because it has a spice and flavor already. For my heritage, too much salt in this cold, cool climate is not good for my health, so I don't eat salt unless it's fermented kimchi. The empty bowl that had the zucchini noodle cabbage with avocado salsa. It's all gone. I ate all of it and it's in my stomach. It's delicious and I loved it. Is the sprouted lentils today. The first day I soaked it. The first and second, this is what it looks like the first and second days. It's crunchy, very healthy, and I'm going to add to my salad. Don't need to cook it because when you have raw sprouted lentils, it has more nutrition than cooked. And I'm going to add to my salad for tomorrow. At least one meal, yeah, unless I'm very busy. But eating raw is very healthy and easy. So I hope you guys follow me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!